please. Okay, all the fingers curve it. So give a nice hand gesture like the palm support, really palm support. We need to build up the strength of the fingertips. That's very important. Okay? And then all this got to feel pluck. Heavily pluck. So once you pluck, you feel like the strength coming from the palm. You feel that? So like every time, every pluck, so like not like doing this. If you from the top to bottom, like tap it higher, so that sound is weak. So you need to stay on the key, pluck. See that? Like that's what you need. So all the way. The whole prelude need your muscle cooperation quickly to prepare for individual position, because every measure there has specific position, right? So your muscle must quickly ready for the whole measure notes. So not just we move there, play some roundels and fix. So that is not ready. So beat 4 connect to the next beat 1. That's such an important thing, because your muscles, the hand gesture, ready for next measure, all like before you touch. Okay, that's what you need to practice. Okay. Muscle cooperation, quickly to be ready. Okay, yeah, that's for the prelude. Oh, by the way, when you practice the whole thing in the slow tempo but maintain the same speed, not faster, you have to listen carefully for the tone quality. All the tone, no matter which finger, finger 1, finger 5, all the way from the first note to the last note, the tone must maintain same quality. That's hard. That is hard, because it's need every time, every pluck, every detached, your muscle using exactly same. The power, like the distance, the strength, where you're holding the strength, or how much relax of the arm. So that's like exactly measuring like perfectly. Okay? And also we need build up the strength of your muscle. So like if you can play the one line, it means nothing. If you can play the whole thing, the whole like 2.5 page without any stop, that's perfect, because your muscle, the duration is also built up. Something like the strength, the workout. Once you work more and more and more,
stamina.
Yeah, like you have more duration. The muscle duration is getting better.
Endurance.
Yeah. Okay. And the fugue. Fugue.
I'm going to fugue this week.
Fugue. This one. What you need currently. So now play both hands together. This one is written in 3 voices. Do you understand what I mean? For written in 3 voices. Yeah. Okay. Can you distinguish those 3?
I think so.
Okay. One homework for this one. Using some like a color pencil, like the highlighter one. Give a different highlighter.
But what if I do it wrong?
Using the pencil.
Okay.
Using the pencil one. Like okay. So highlight, like just distinguish 3 voices: soprano, alto, bass. Okay. So top one. It's pretty simple to distinguish those 2. So look at here. This one, the beginning 2 measures. The direction of the stem is going down, right?
Yeah.
So that means this is alto. So when the G and F sharp come in, this is a new voices. All the stem direction face to up. That means it's belong to soprano. So look at here. It's very obvious. Here, soprano top. Here, alto. going to bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Okay. When the bass joining. Yes, that's a bass joining. That's right. Okay, so here, that's two voices. Soprano going up, alto going down. But, there has a but. When you distinguish those three voices, soprano and the bass, pretty obvious. Soprano played by the right hand, bass played by left hand, right?
Yeah.
But the alto part,
It's
sometimes it depends. Depends on, sometimes it belongs to the left hand playing, sometimes it belongs to the right hand.
Oh, that's hard. How can you tell?
How can you tell? Even the rating here. See? That's for left hand.
Oh, okay.
Right hand here, right hand. So which line the notes are written? Is it for treble clef or bass clef? Okay? So this week, you need to do one work is, can you play all three individual voices?
Me? For the fugue?
Yeah, for the fugue. So here, left hand.
The whole entire thing?
Okay, so till the end.
Okay.
Just for, this is just an alto, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then soprano. Something like keep going. Okay, that's soprano. And then the other one is the bass. But when you hear, like when you listen to my playing, did you notice I play some note legato, some note non-legato?
Yeah.
Which one I play legato? What kind of notes I play legato?
Longer ones?
I play 16 notes legato. All eighth note, quarter
Plus
note,
staccato.
non-legato.
Non-legato.
Non-legato. Okay, that's for the playing method. Okay, yeah. So distinguish for the entire
whole
piece,
okay.
because this belongs to
Even
the
here?
right. I ask you to play the staccato.
Okay.
But eventually, because this is fast, so it sounds like a non-legato, but the
But it
way
is
you actually
legato.
play is a legato.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. So that is a requirement for the prelude and the fugue. Okay. I will let you have an exercise here so you know how to do at home. Okay. I will stop here.